3 best sound effects websites for free to take your shorts to the next level. Save this video, you'll need it later. Number 1. Freesound. You can find almost everything on this site. The site contains 620,000 sound effects. Number 2. MyInstance. On this website, you'll find all the memes and viral effects like this.
Nobody's gonna know.
Number 3. Pixabay. If you are looking for videos, GIFs, or photos in addition to sound effects, here you will find everything in one place. If you want to increase your average watch time on your video, comment viral, and I'll send you a link to this 3 pages. Follow my profile for more AI and editing tips.